Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to fill your Alipay balance in wallets, and at the same time, how to fill your WeChat wallet balance without any stress. So let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 168, or pinduoduo or IBP, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your WeChat account. So I'm going to open up my WeChat right here. After you open up your WeChat, next thing you need to do from me right here. The next thing you need to do is to simply click on Pay and Services. Then it's going to take you right there. Next thing you need to do is to click on Wallets. Then here we go. You have your wallet balance right here. So let's go ahead and check how to view your balance in Alipay. So open up your Alipay. After you open up your Alipay, next thing you need to do is to click on Account. The next thing you need to do is to click on Balance. Then here we go. This is your balance in Alipay. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how to use your WeChat wallet or Alipay, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.